everyone, it's Rachel.
And hello, it is Sue. And today we're wearing the Korean traditional clothing called hanbok to get in the spirit of 설날. Yeah.
Yay.
And for those of you who are unfamiliar with this national holiday, in this video we're going to be answering some commonly asked questions about it. So, if you're ready, let's go. So the first question is da-da-da! What is 설날?
What is 설날? So 설날, or pronounced as 설날, is one of the most important traditional Korean holidays in Korean culture. So it's marking the first day of the lunar calendar.
The lunar calendar is like the moon calendar,
Yeah,
right?
it is. Yeah. Traditionally, the year is assigned a name by taking a character from each of the two cycles, 십간, the cycle of 10 stems with associated colors, and 12지, the cycle of 12 branches with associated animals, which is commonly referred to as 띠. So for instance, I was born in the year of tiger, so I would be 호랑이띠. Do you know yours?
I think I am the cow.
Cow? Do you mean ox?
Cows?
Cow.
Yeah. Is that what you call them? Like,
Yeah, so in
ox
Korean
instead
we
of
call
cow?
it 소띠. Yeah, so 소 is actually cow, but I think it's...
To make it a little fancy?
Yeah, I think the actual animal is ox.
Oh.
So each year it advanced one position in the two cycles to determine the name. So in 2023 it was 개모년, and this year 2024 is 갑진년, the year of the blue dragon.
Next one is da-da-da.
What to eat on 설날?
Yeah, so obviously when it comes to 설날 and like traditional holidays, there's a lot of different foods that are involved and, you know, that signifies things. But I think the most obvious one and the most important one during 설날 it has to be 떡국.
Oh, I
right?
love 떡국.
You like 떡국, I
Yeah, I
see.
do.
떡국 is like the very soupy, rice cakey type of thing,
Yeah,
right?
it's very thick as well.
Yeah, I think the most important reason is because you know, when you have 떡국 during the Lunar New Year, they say that you gain another age.
Oh, so you get 1 year older.
Yeah, which is pretty sad, and which is why I won't be having any this year because I think I need to cut down on a little.
I actually personally like to eat japchae. Do you know what japchae is?
I love japchae. Japchae is probably my favorite.
Yeah, it's the glass noodles, like savory glass noodles, is it? Yeah, and it's stir fried, and it's really nice with other vegetables as well. It's really good, and I think there's a few desserts as well.
Yeah.
Do you know any desserts?
I think mine is like my favorite one is probably yakshik.
Yakshik.
Yeah,
Ooh,
I know
what
there's
is that?
yakgwa and yakshik, but then yakgwa is more like a little
cookie?
bit. Yeah, it's
Yeah,
like
the
a cookie looking,
Yeah.
like a chewy cookie.
Yeah.
Whereas my favorite is yakshik, and it's like kind of made out of like sweet, you can chewy,
Oh.
you can like little sticky rice type of thing.
Ah, I should try that this 설날.
I recommend, highly recommend.
Okay, that was it. So let's move on to the next question.
Radio, it's the longest one we have. Right. And what do people usually do during 설날?
Oh, okay, so people usually travel to their hometown to see their families and share meals and play some traditional games together. So I heard a lot of families, they still enjoy playing those traditional games called 윷놀이. Do you know what 윷놀이
I've
is?
heard of it. I saw it
Yeah.
at Starbucks the other day.
Oh, yeah, I saw the special
Merchandise.
yeah. My family actually do this thing called 차례, so which is basically setting up a special table for ritual food, bowing with the purpose of making offerings to ancestors.
Yeah,
Do you do that as well?
I mean, I think my family used to when I was a little younger, maybe like 10 years ago. We used to do like the full shebang, but
Yeah.
then nowadays it's kind of like my mom's tired
Oh, yeah.
and my grandma's kind of like, do we really have to?
Yeah, I think a lot of families do that. They kind
Yeah.
of do a simpler version.
Yeah, 100%.
Yeah.
So
Or
that's
maybe-
what we kind of do these days.
They go out on a family outing. Yeah, so it's not very big of a deal now.
Yeah, so we just do like a very simple mini version, and then we kind of just spend time with family and just share the food and stuff like that.
Then do you guys still do seolal?
Yeah, I mean, how can we not? You know
Yeah.
what comes with it.
True. Although it's a tradition to express respect and good wishes to elders of the family, I think a lot of people low-key do it for the sweet sebeton,
Yeah.
which is given in return of the sebe, the bowing of the younger members of the family.
Since it's a major family get-together time, many shops and restaurants also close because they also have families.
Obviously.
Yeah.
Yeah, especially on the official day of Seollal. So if you're planning on traveling during this early month of the year, make sure you keep the Seollal season in mind before visiting.
And the last question is... Ta-da-da!
What is a good Seollal gift?
For gifts, I think food sets are a classic for
it
sure.
is. Mhm.
Yeah, things like high quality fruits or like dried seafood, and I think a few common ones are tuna sets, like canned tuna.
And like spam.
Oh,
as well.
100%. They're like everywhere
Yeah.
when it comes to like the season.
I see a lot of workers carry those sets around.
Yeah. And like when you go to like shops and stuff, they're like displayed everywhere.
Yeah,
to be
and they're like
honest.
on sale.
Yeah.
And I've actually seen a lot of people carry around Hanu sets as well.
Ah, yeah. Hanu is like, if someone gives me a Hanu set, I know. You love me.
Love.
Yeah. It's love. Like, I love you, you love me.
It's actually expressing more of a deeper gratitude, right?
Yeah.
Towards
It's
that
like
person.
a special thanks too. Yeah. So that's it for today's questions about 설날.
Yep, I hope you gained a lot of insights about Seollal, and I hope you enjoy your time with your families.
And have a
새해 복 많이 받으세요.